Have you ever thought about how much of your personal life is tied to the internet? We rely on it for everything. Managing our finances, shopping, working remotely, and even staying connected with friends. But here's the thing. It's not as secure as we often believe. I'm not trying to scare you, but I've seen how quickly things can spiral out of control. A friend of mine recently had their entire bank account drained after falling victim to a phishing scam. Another acquaintance had their email hacked, and the hacker started sending out scam emails to all their contacts, completely ruining their reputation. It got me thinking about how fragile our digital lives can be. Since then, I made the switch from a free antivirus to Bitdefender Total Security, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. They're offering a free 30-day trial right now, and I highly recommend you give it a shot. The link to grab it is in the description below. Now, I've tried quite a few antivirus programs over the years, from free ones like AVG to the pre-installed ones like McAfee. The problem? They're either filled with annoying ads and constant upsells, slow down your system, or worse, don't really protect you well and come packed with unwanted bloatware. What sets Bitdefender apart is how intelligent it is. It uses AI and machine learning, which means it learns from millions of cyber threats every day. So, when a new virus or scam pops up, it can recognize the pattern and block it, even if it's something it's never seen before. That's a huge relief, knowing that it's constantly adapting to the latest threats. The behavioral analysis is another feature I love. It constantly monitors your computer's normal behavior. If something odd happens, say a random program starts trying to access your sensitive files, or a strange process starts running in the background, it catches it right away. It's like having a hyper-vigilant digital bodyguard keeping an eye on your system 24/7. Here's how easy it is to get started. Just click the link in the description and you'll land on Bitdefender's trial page. The download process is super straightforward. Just enter your details, choose your device, and let it install itself. Once it's up and running, you'll notice right away that it's incredibly non-invasive. It runs quietly in the background, never interrupting your work or play. No annoying pop-ups or "we blocked a threat" notifications for every little thing. It's so quiet, you'll forget it's even there, but you can trust it's always protecting you. The interface is simple and clean. When you open it, you'll see a big, clear dashboard showing your protection status. Green means everything's good, and if something needs attention, it tells you immediately. It's user-friendly and doesn't require you to be a tech expert to understand it. It's designed for everyone. Bitdefender automatically scans your files when you download them, checks websites before you visit them, and monitors your system in real time, all happening seamlessly behind the scenes. Bitdefender Total Security offers top-tier protection, consistently ranking at the top in independent security tests. It supports all major platforms, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, so you only need one subscription to cover all your devices. Its excellent ransomware protection is especially crucial given the increasing number of attacks, and you'll notice minimal impact on performance, even while gaming or editing videos. The software also includes behavioral analysis that continuously monitors for any unusual activity to keep you safe. However, it's not free, and while some might miss the free version, the level of protection it offers is worth the cost. The firewall can be a bit aggressive at times, but it's easy to adjust if it's blocking something you want. Lastly, its set-it-and-forget-it approach makes it perfect for most users who prefer a hands-off solution, though it may not be ideal for those who want to tinker with every setting. Bitdefender offers a 30-day free trial, which is excellent to test out before committing. After the trial, the price for Bitdefender Total Security usually ranges from $40 to $100, depending on promotions and region. It supports up to 5 devices, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and includes additional features such as parental controls and system optimization tools. The first year is usually heavily discounted, but the renewal price can be much higher, so be prepared for that. However, given what you get in terms of protection, it's a small price to pay compared to the potential consequences of getting hacked. Bitdefender has been around since 2001, protecting over 500 million users worldwide. They're a legitimate company with a great reputation, and you can feel confident that your data is safe with them. If you care about your online safety, give Bitdefender's free 30-day trial a shot. There's no catch. Use it, browse the web, download files, and see if you notice a difference in how well it protects you. If, after 30 days, you feel safer, go ahead and grab one of the first-year deals. If not, you can always downgrade to the free version of Bitdefender's antivirus. But either way, make sure you have some kind of protection in place. The link to get started is in the description below. Just so you know, it's an affiliate link, which means I get a small commission if you purchase through it. But I only recommend products I use and trust, and Bitdefender is one of them. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and security tips, and let me know in the comments, have you ever dealt with an online security breach? What antivirus software do you use? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the following video. Thanks for watching.